Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to clean the brain. What I've done is I've actually soaked the brain in warm water, little more than warm, for 10 minutes. So this is a brain. So you have the small brain, the cerebellum, and the larger part, the cerebrum. So what we have to do mainly is we have to take a jelly part which is here, this part outside. So this inside, from this you will have a small part coming out, and then what we'll have to do is, the main aim for soaking this in warm water is to remove this blood. So once you've soaked it well, you will have a thin layer that comes out. Just do it wherever you just see the blood stains. So what you will do is, you should not pull it out so hard to alter the shape of the brain. What I'm doing is, see, I've removed the blood stain from here. So it's very simple. You just need to pull it out little by little. See, it comes off. Just that is enough. You don't have to do more. That will actually disrupt the shape of the brain. The main thing which is to be done is in the back side. You need to remove here. That is why soaking this in warm water is very much necessary, because this will come out very well. See, this will all come out very well. It is very important that you do that. So this one is done. And now I am taking the bigger one, the second one. So you can either do it both ways. I prefer doing it like this because it gives me a good hold to remove this part from inside. Okay, and then this part, see how it comes off. On the sides as well. See, all this is shown in the final taste and the flavor of the brain. You don't have that old smelly dish on your plate, and it's all fresh and good for you to eat. So you need to remove all these blood stains. Just wear in places where it's thick like this. It need not be a clean white brain after cleaning, but thicker blood stains definitely have to be removed. And this part, the little brain, is very good for kids. See, you have that thing coming off. Okay, so This is the clean brain. So this is the cleaned brain. So there are no blood stains at the back. I've cleaned it very well now. So we can go ahead and cook it. These are all very small things. It's up to you to remove them without disrupting the shape of the brain. That's not a problem. But this is clean now. Okay. Thank you.